In the ever-expanding world of drone technology, few names carry the same level of recognition and respect as DJI. Over the past decade, DJI has become synonymous with consumer and professional drones alike, setting the gold standard for aerial imaging, intelligent flight systems, and user-friendly design. With each release, the company pushes the industry forward, creating products that balance accessibility with innovation. Now, rumors surrounding the upcoming DJI Neo 2 are fueling excitement across both hobbyist communities and professional filmmaking circles. Positioned strategically in the mid-range drone market, the Neo 2 seems designed to bridge the gap between entry-level drones like the Mini series and flagship models such as the Mavic 3 or Air 3. The question is, could this be the drone that redefines what we expect from a mid-tier device? Let's take a deep dive into what we know, what's rumored, and what this drone might mean for the future of aerial content creation in 2025 and beyond. The rise of mid-range drones. Before breaking down the DJI Neo 2 itself, it's important to understand why the mid-range category matters. A decade ago, drone technology was largely divided into two camps. Entry-level drones for beginners, lightweight, affordable and easy to fly but often limited in flight time, stability, and image quality. Professional drones for filmmakers and industrial users, powerful, feature-packed but also expensive, bulky, and complex. In recent years, however, there's been a surge of interest in mid-tier drones. These models are compact, relatively affordable, and packed with features once reserved for flagship devices. They target creators who don't want to compromise on quality, but also don't want to carry a bulky case of gear everywhere they go. The rumored DJI Neo 2 seems to slot perfectly into this market. By blending portability, performance, and price, it has the potential to become the go-to drone for a wide range of users, from travel vloggers and wedding videographers to content creators on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Design philosophy. Portability meets durability. DJI's design philosophy has always been about balancing ease of use with professional capabilities. The Neo 2 appears to embrace this balance more than ever. Foldable and travel-friendly leaks suggest the Neo 2 will feature a foldable chassis, reminiscent of the Mavic lineup, but with a more streamlined, modern look. Portability is critical in today's content creation world, where creators are constantly traveling between shoots. A compact, foldable body means you can toss the drone into a backpack without sacrificing durability. Carbon composite frame. One of the biggest rumors is that the Neo 2 may use a carbon composite frame. This would provide lightweight strength while improving resistance against wind and rough handling. For adventurers shooting in challenging environments, whether hiking up mountains, exploring coastal cliffs, or filming desert landscapes, this combination of lightness and resilience could be a game changer. Who benefits from the design? Travel vloggers, easy to carry across continents. Wedding filmmakers, portable enough for ceremonies, durable enough for outdoor receptions. Adventure sports shooters, withstands rugged conditions without adding bulk. Camera capabilities, professional imaging in a compact body. If there's one area where DJI continually raises the bar, it's camera technology. The Neo 2 is rumored to take a major step forward here. Inch CMOS sensor reports suggest the Neo 2 could feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 2024 1080p. Still, photos 5.4K. Video at 60 FPS. This places the drone between consumer drones like the Mini 4 Pro and professional options like the Air 3 or Mavic. 3 cinematic features: adjustable aperture, control depth of eye, field and exposure in varying lighting conditions, a 10-bit D-Log, and HLG profiles. Essential for professional color grading, high dynamic range. Ensures both shadows and highlights retain detail. Low light optimization. Perfect for sunset shoots, golden hour shots, or nighttime cityscapes. Why it matters for creators. This isn't just about resolution, it's about storytelling power. Features like 10-bit recording and HDR allow you to create cinematic sequences with rich colors and smooth transitions, reducing the need for heavy post-production. Performance and flight capabilities. Of course, a drone's value isn't just in its camera, it's also in how it flies. Extended flight time. One of the most exciting rumors is a 40-minute flight time, which would surpass most mid-tier drones currently capped around 30 minutes. More time in the air means fewer battery swaps and more creative freedom during shoots. Speed and stability. Top speeds up to 60 nms have been hinted. Improved propulsion efficiency for smoother, quieter flights. precision control for both casual flights and professional maneuvers. Use case as travel shoots. Cover more ground with longer flights. Events, capture entire ceremonies. Concerts or sports games without landing. Cinematic work, smooth. Stable footage even during complex tracking shots. Connectivity and transmission in modern drones. Connectivity is everything. The Neo 2 is rumored to push boundaries here as well. OCU Sync 4.0 expected to feature OcuSync 4.0 transmission. The Neo 2 could provide HD video transmission up to 15 km ultra-low. Latency streaming, modern protocols, Wi-Fi 6, support for faster device syncing and updates. Bluetooth 5.3 for quicker pairing and accessory connections. Live streaming for creators on YouTube. TikTok Live or Twitch, seamless direct streaming could be possible. Imagine capturing breathtaking shots and broadcasting them to your audience instantly. Perfect for travel influencers, live event coverage, and real-time Q&A sessions. Controller and user experience. DJI has been gradually refining its controllers, and the Neo 2 might introduce a leap forward. Integrated touchscreen controller. Rumors suggest a controller with an integrated display, removing the need for smartphones. This offers customizable controls for quick access to flight modes, ergonomic grips for long flights, battery life that matches the drone. For beginners, this simplifies setup. For professionals, it streamlines workflow and ensures reliable control. AI and safety features. Safety is one of DJI's strongest suits, and the Neo 2 seems set to build on this. Reputation. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance powered by advanced AI algorithms, likely to include Active Track 5.0 for smooth subject tracking. Features like master shots and point of eye interest for automated cinematography. Intelligent. Return to home. A real-time intelligent art system could calculate the safest and fastest way back, avoiding collisions and adapting to wind or signal interference. Why this matters for beginners, it's peace of mind. For professionals, it ensures safety during high-stakes shoots where a crash could ruin both the project and the investment. Pricing and market position. Pricing will play a huge role in the Neo 2's success. Leaks suggest it could retail between $1,200, $1,500 US to Y. This range makes sense above. The Mini 4 Pro, $899, targeting creators who want more power. Below the Air 3, $1,649, making it more affordable than flagship models. This sweet spot could attract budget-conscious enthusiasts upgrading from entry-level drones, semi-pro creators who want premium features without paying flagship prices. Professionals looking for a lighter secondary drone for certain shoots. Real-world applications. The true value of the Neo 2 lies in what it enables creators to do. Travel vloggers capture sweeping landscapes, cityscapes, and immersive journeys. Wedding videographers add breathtaking aerial perspectives to highlight films. Adventure filmmakers shoot extreme sports with reliable tracking and long flight times. Event coverage, concerts, sports events, and festivals with live streaming capability. Tourism marketing. Showcase destinations with cinematic aerials. Social media influencers. Stream directly to platforms for real-time engagement. The future of drones and DJI Neo 2's role. The drone market is evolving rapidly, with AI automation, smarter safety, and higher image quality driving demand. The DJI Neo 2 could very well become the benchmark mid-tier drone of 2025, setting the standard for cinematic imaging in portable drones, extended flight time expectations, integrated streaming capabilities, next-gen AI safety. Features. Conclusion. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just another drone in DJI's lineup. It could represent a new chapter in mid-range drone technology, with rumored features like a 1-inch sensor, 5.4K video, 40-minute flight time, OcuSync 4.0 transmission, AI-powered safety, and a competitive price point. It looks ready to deliver professional-grade results in a portable package.